na ewonsem kronwembo no my Ghana ye 47 ken of for research mu a onim adekode poti amrafo ne nkwakrafo ye pe esanse wo hwemu a nipa no hamunche mu be ye aduowotwe na wo mode wo monsa ahye enkrata no asintu onim de nti afoforo bi nso ena mabonte a wo motwe ho mumeme ne nyina mu no wone wo mo edi nkomo sei.
About 15-16% of the pensioners actually tendered, but they chose to. The bulk of you did not. But I had indicated that it was voluntary, which means that we will honor those payments. What I tried to do in giving you the option was that about almost 80% of you have bonds that go beyond 5 years, from 5 years old. And so in the new arrangement where I have brought everything down to below from 5 years down, it makes it easier to get your lump sum money faster. That's your choice. It makes it easier. Anytime you're able to get your money ahead of time is good for you. But that's really your choice. And therefore a lot of you decided not to take it. But that was really the basis of giving you the option. But if you chose not to take the option, we made it clear that we will honor those things. So really, there's no reason for us to be sitting here because that assurance has been given on paper. So that's why I really want to talk with you guys to see what it is that you are afraid of or that you think will not happen.